I walked where no man dared to go, through misty hills where silence grows. The wind it spoke in broken tones of distant lands and holy bones. And in the hush I heard the call of voices rising past it all. Echoes from Zion,